What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I will not be bird hunting because there's not been any birds. Oh my god, Panther! You're such a big dog. Actually today I will just be climbing that tree over there. That one over there. See it? I don't know if you can. But yes, we will be bird hunting. Well, I forgot. We'll be climbing that tree. Sorry for the wind. That's the wind. It sure is a windy day. And wow, they are moving a lot. Because I'm not their owner, it's my brother. So, you probably think I'm him. So, we're going to be climbing this big old tree on this windy day. I will be up there. So, let's see how that is. Okay. Can I get a grip? There we go. Whoa. Probably more wind, like you can hear in the audio, maybe, possibly. I don't know. Future me will probably edit this and probably think, wow, that was lots of wind. As it is, we're probably kind of high. Let's see if we can go a little higher. Holy moly, this is terrifying. There's so much wind here, like the whole entire tree is shaking. And I'm terrified. Not of heights, but just look at how high that is. Let me see if I can break off a branch. See this branch, guys? Okay. Can't see it anymore. Panther surrounded me just in case I fall. Holy moly! Guys, I'm not like holy. Look, you can actually see the tree moving. Shoot, this is terrifying. I didn't think this through, but that's what I get for trying to make a YouTube video. Okay. Whoa, okay. This tree is moving a lot, but I am very high up here and I'm getting down. This is terrifying. Whew. Okay. I'm not joking, guys. Not that I'm afraid of heights. I don't mind heights. It's just that it's super windy today. That's what terrifies me. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little break right here. Holy moly. This is very high. That's not high at all, but like if you go all the way over there, it's pretty high. Golly. Okay. Get down through here, we're gonna have to jump down. Okay. Panther, you gonna help me down, buddy? It's not. Okay. Oh, he's gonna. Okay, I guess we can this way. This tree is very complicated. Okay. I'm gonna have to swing or something. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. Back to Headgear Mountain. I'm definitely gonna blur out my face. You are not gonna see my face. Well, you know what? I'll let you guys see my face if we get to 1,000 subscribers. Yeah, we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will show my face. Here. This shadow face. That's adorable. But if we get 1,000 subscribers, I will show my face. Okay? Deal? Okay. Well, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. See you in the next video.